Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are back with our part 2 of our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January. I did just do one recently here at the beginning of the month. I will link it here if you guys haven't checked it out, but also at the end of this video. But I did a premium unboxing and then our base box. Now, those two boxes were sent to me by Boxycharm, so that is why they were up a little bit earlier. But I also do have my own subscription, and I do have the base box, which is what we're going to be unboxing here together. I know you guys love these unboxings here on my channel, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get diving into it, but if you guys are wanting to know all the details on Boxycharm, how it works, you know what to do, go ahead and look down in the description bar, and let's just go ahead and get started. This eye right here has been twitching like on and off all day, and it just is the funniest sensation. I was trying to do my makeup and like it kept like twitching, and I was like, stop twitching. But this is the card, and again, the information, I was talking about this in my first Boxycharm, the one that we just recently did, and the numbering and stuff is like all off. This one's like C2101032-BA. So that is the box variation that I got. First thing I see in my box is by Dr. Brandt. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This is supposed to help with wrinkles, dark circles, eye puffiness. So here's what it looks like. It's in this white tube. I have not tried this particular product from Dr. Brandt, but I want to say that there was another one that he sent out a while ago. It had like the, you know, the steel thing that you put underneath your eyes. You know what I'm talking about? If I find a picture of it, I'll say it. It's like a baggage claim. Is that what they call it? The baggage claim or something? I do know that I have one of his eye creams in my shelves right now. You guys know I love my eye creams, and this is definitely something to try out. I love Dr. Brandt. I am excited that we do get quite a bit of Dr. Brandt products in our boxes because I really like the brand, and I actually think that a lot of the products that are sent to us actually do work from his brand. Next thing I have here is this Laura Geller. This is the High Def Glow Illuminating Duo. Once you open it, say this one here is shimmer and this is sparkle. Have we gotten something like this before? So there is one. There's two. I want to say I've gotten something like this before, or I've seen something like this also at TJ Maxx. There is one that I've gotten from this brand though, right? But I think one of them was like a cream product, and the cream product is beautiful. Here are the two. They're a lot lighter, but you can see it right here and then right here. I don't know, one of them just seems a little bit more powdery than the other. See that? I'm trying to, there it is. So that's like 2 coats. Let's do another coat. This sparkly one is really difficult to get a hold of. It's kind of more, I mean, it's fine. That's fine. All right, so next up we have is by the Pharmacy. Yes, I do love the Pharmacy, and our other box, I actually have it right here because I have to film with it. Where is it? Right here. This is the Pharmacy A Daily Green Oil Gel Moisturizer. This is actually what I got in my other boxes, and you guys, I talked about that in my other box that I loved the Pharmacy products. Like, they're really, really great. But this one here is their Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Yes, I'm all for this. This is paraben-free, formaldehyde, synthetic phthalate, mineral-free, and cruelty-free. Oh, ooh, nice glass bottle. I love this. It's a glass bottle. I just love the presentation of the Pharmacy products. Like, I don't know what it is, but this packaging just does all sorts of, like, makes me feel good to see it in my vanity, if that makes sense. You know, like, there's just certain products that you just like to display because it just has that, like, clean, simple packaging to it. Nothing crazy, just there and pretty and simple. This next product I have is by Bali Balm. This is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Ooh, coconut. I love me some coconut. Y'all, the amount of lip balms I have currently is just, there shouldn't be this many lip balms in my collection. It's not as jelly-like as some of the other lip balms, which I like, and it's definitely not sticky. So I'm telling you, I feel like with all the lip balms I have, I've become a connoisseur with lip balms. Like the texture, the formula, the feel, the longevity. I just feel like I'm on another level with lip balms right now. So we have one last thing in our collection, and it is an eyeshadow palette. The other eyeshadow palette that I did get in my other box, which is the Olive You palette. And then for the face, I went in with the Ofra Cosmetics palette. Basically, any makeup product that I got in my box is on my face today, and I'm really impressed with it. I really love this it was like a simple sweep of eyeshadow kind of a look that I decided to go in with today, and I really love the way it came out. But that's not the point of this video. We're talking about this right here, which something's shaking in here. That's not good. But this is by Ciate London, and this is the Velvet palette. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so here you have it. Lots, very, very much springtime vibes. I don't know why, but this one right here is like a baby doll pink with like silver sparkles. It gives me like high school vibes. Like I would slap something like that on my eyes and be like, I'm good to go. With like blue eyeshadow the next day. I was totally into those colors. All right, so here you have the first row. Really, really pretty. This one here, particularly on the first row, this one here has a little bit of a silver chunkier reflect to it, so you will definitely need some sort of like adhesive to just make sure like throughout the day it doesn't fall. But that is row one. I think this middle row is like definitely my row. Look at that row. That is more of my row right there. Look at that. These are coming out way better than I expected. I mean, that one's kind of, probably wouldn't use this palette alone. I mean, you definitely could because you get 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. But I personally like a more intense lid with like a really bold outer corner lid. So I probably would use this and then go in with something deep and really sultry to make it like very intensified. It's a good box. There were some products in there that I probably could have done without, but for the most part, I will say that I really am excited that I at least got one product in my box that I felt like was at least the money's worth that I paid for the box. Because there's nothing more frustrating than buying a box and hating every product that you get in there. And for me, at least getting something like this and the eyeshadow palette was definitely a win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Anyways, that's what I got in my box, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my family. Give it a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.